This here is from the brand DCM. It's a BMW E34 5 serie limited edition. That is what we like. Here we got some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. You can see it, it's still in the plastic. So I have no idea what to expect, because this is also my first DCM model. Comes in a nice display case. Don't see a license plate, but I can do something about that. Oh yeah, here we can see, wait, let's take this off. Here we can see E34 5 serie, a limited edition. This is number 330 from 499 pieces. I think that's pretty limited. I think there are different versions available. I choose the black one. I like black cars. Authentic rims. And yeah, here we get the back, lanced rear lights, 520e here, the BMW logo, and exhaust in silver. I like that. I also like the heating here on the back window. And we have some details on the dashboard, if I believe. No, that's because of the reflection. There are details, but no colored ones. Okay, let's take this thing off the base. Okay, yeah, we got some silver folie here on the side mirrors. No opening parts. And yes, it's a diecast model. Now we're going to find out if it has a metal base. Okay, the wheels are spinning. Ooh, you see this wheel is a little bit dented, a little bit flat. Too long on the display stand. Yes, so here we have the base, and we can see it's a plastic base. We got some details, but in my opinion, this should be a metal base. You pay around 30 euro for a car like this, and I think if you pay 30 euro for a 164 car, it should have a metal base, rubber tires, metal body. Yeah, some details in the interior. I think there are some details here on the side panel. Let's have a look with some light. Yeah. Maybe you can see it. But here on this door, in the inside, we got some details. Should be looking like wood. You can also see that here on the other side. So that's pretty cool. And wheels are rolling pretty good, except for this one. This one was a little bit too hard on the display stand. So we have a flat tire. And I'm going to do something about the license plate back in a sec. Okay, so I'm back. Got the license plates. Let's open this up. There we go. Here we got the license plates. Dutch license plates, German license plates, and some Britain license plates. I'm going for this one right here. Let's see if I can take it out. Sorry, this is not going that fast. That's one. And we need exactly the same on the other side. By the way, these are metal license plates. No plastic. But yeah, there should be a license plate on the car. Shouldn't be that easy. Or shouldn't be that hard nowadays. Okay, I always do it with a little bit of gum. So, there we go. Nice plate. Why I don't use this instead of glue? Well, you can always take it off if you want. This is even too much, I think. Okay, I used a little bit too much, but you understand the ID. We'll improve that later. And then in the front, we also want a license plate. Hello. Okay, I will fix that later after the video, but you get the ID and that looks much better than without. Okay, what do I think about this car? Well, like I said, I was expecting a metal base. For the rest, it looks very good, very realistic. We got lens front lights, lens rear lights, etc. Heating in the window, I like that. Some details in the interior, but there is room for improvement, and they definitely need to put a license plate on it. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Happy hunting. Bye.